Hello student, today's learning objective is finding the surface area of a cylinder. The surface area of a cylinder is a lot of work. There's no shortcuts. You need to know two circle formulas in order to do it. The area of a circle formula and the circumference of a circle formula, and then you have to do more work on top of that. So it's a lot of work. Remember, what surface area is it's adding the total units squared of all the surfaces. So you're adding up all of the skin or all of the outside of the object. A cylinder, remember, is like a soup can or a pop can. It's a right prism, and that means there's two circular bases connected by one rectangle. So a cylinder is made up of two circles, and the middle is just one rectangle. So three separate parts. In order to actually solve a problem like this, you'd need to have the radius or the diameter. Remember, both circles are the same. If you have the diameter, you would just cut it in two to find the radius. You would need also the height or length of your rectangle. Now here's the formula that you actually need to do. To find the total surface area, that means adding up all three shapes, you need to find the area of both of these circles. Now the area is the same for both of the circles. The top and bottom of the can are always the same. So you would use the area formula for a circle, pi times radius squared. Remember your order of operations, exponents comes before multiplication. So you would take radius squared, multiply it, and you would get the same answer for both circles, and you wouldn't do anything yet with it. To find out your rectangle, you can't just do base times height because the one side is as long as the circumference. So you need the circumference formula. So the circumference formula is 2 times pi times radius. Order of operations there doesn't matter because it's all just multiplication. 2 times pi times radius, and it's the radius of the circle. And then you take that times the height. So you times up four things. 2 times pi times radius times the height. That will give you three numbers. And you'd add up 1, 2, 3 of those numbers. You'd label it units squared, since it's an area problem. That ends up being kind of a lot of work, but not really too hard if you know that you just have the same number for both circles, and if you know your circle formulas pretty well. Anyways, that's it. You might need to watch this video quite a few times, and good luck.